Hi, this is Jennifer Woods, and I'm going to be going over the Introduction to the EdTPA Secondary Mathematics. The EdTPA is a performance-based assessment to measure the readiness to teach secondary math. The first part of the EdTPA is the purpose. As a successful teacher, the EdTPA is looking that you're knowledgeable in the subject and that you're knowledgeable about your students, whether they're language learners or they're children with accommodations. They're also looking that you're aware with the research and theory of how children learn, which is why I posted a picture of the multiple intelligences. Students can learn musically or interpersonal, and then to reflect and analyze yourself as a teacher. The next part talks about the assessment. We are given 3 tasks to provide evidence of our understanding of our students' learning and how effective we are as teachers. The 3 tasks consist of planning for assessment and instruction, instructing and engaging students in learning, and assessing students' learning. How are we going to complete those tasks? We're going to make a 3 to 5 hour video of us teaching either consecutively or connected. My segment should include learning tasks that give students the opportunity to develop procedural fluency or mathematical fluency, or the mathematical music, mathematical reasoning and or problem solving, so relational understanding as opposed to instrumental, and precise communication, you're able to talk to your students, and conceptual understanding. Conceptual understanding is not using calculational understanding, giving students an equation and telling them to put in numbers, but creating lessons and having them understand why they're using that equation and what it means. And then the EdTPA, at the end, you have to send in artifacts and commentary. You have to represent your work completed by your students, send in lesson plans, work samples, videos, and then comment. What did the students learn? Describe what you sent in and how it helped them and how they got engaged. And at the very end of the assessment, when I go over here, they give you a glossary, which I found super important because in terms of math, language is key, and oral and written language are used for academic purposes. So it kind of gives you an overview of everything. And now I'm looking forward to student teaching.